that's where I'm at that age in my life. I need my credit. I need my credit for everything. You know how people be like, you ever hear somebody say, I did it because it's the right thing to do? You ever hear that? I don't give a fuck about the right thing to do. I do stuff that I need you to know I did it. You understand? Like if I feed a house full of homeless children on Thanksgiving, when they say the grace, I'm going to be standing at the table, looking at them going, little niggas, it was me. You understand? I need you to know. You understand? That's why everything, not just in work, in my personal life. Church, when I tithe, I don't use no envelope. I don't want no envelope. I need everybody in my row to see what I'm doing. You understand? Me and my wife, we had church the other year, right? I'm sitting down, the plate, mind your business. Mind your business. Jesus know my heart. You understand? At church, that's the point. The plate came. My wife was like, David, you want an envelope? I said, I don't want no envelope, Jenny. I want them to see this 100 I'm about to put on their ass. I put the 100 in the plate moved. When the plate moved, the 100 blew out. You know, the next to me picked up the 100, put the 100 back in the plate. At that moment, I see the pastor, see her, put the 100 in the plate. Look at her, gave her a nod like, thank you very much. I went, oh, hell no. I need my credit. Are you out of your mind? As soon as the service is over, I realized in the back, I was like, where you going, David? I said, I'm going to talk to the man, Julie. She said, David, don't embarrass me. I said, woman, let it happen. You understand? I went into the back. I said, excuse me, Your Honor, can I talk to you? Your Honor? I noticed that you noticed. Mr. Badwig put 100 in the plate. And he said, well, that was a very generous offer. I said, yeah, but I don't want to be petty. But I'm the one that gave the 100. You understand? He said, what do you want me to do, David? So I'm just saying, you talk to God. Let him know I'm the one that gave the 100.
God already knows, stupid.
I'm about to do some foul shit tonight. I need $100 worth of forgiveness. I don't know how the fuck I got like this. You know what I'm saying? I was working somewhere. I don't know where I was performing. I was somewhere on stage. I remember I was just in the middle of work and I just come on stage and started doing it. Then it hit me. I said, look at this shit. I'm at work. I'm doing this. Y'all laughing. They gonna give me money. Nigga, I'm at work. Can't none of y'all do this shit at your job. Not none of y'all. Go to work tomorrow. Stand in the lobby. Don't say shit. Just look everybody in the eye. Boom. You know how hard you gotta work to find a job where this shit right here is acceptable? I've been sober for like 20 years now, right? Yeah. And like when you get your shit together, everybody has a way, a version of a way to keep you on the right track. You know, everybody has their idea. My mama's like, you know, talk to you about a point in your life. You know, it's a point in your life that we need to talk. I said, huh? Jump in the car. I got some place I want to take you. So I get in the car. We go for a ride. We end up in a trailer park. That's all I do. The best I can call. And I'm like, Ron, what are we doing? He said, just relax. She blew the horn. Out of one of these trailers comes this person. Now, I can't see their face, but I can feel the energy between them, and I know they got some kind of history. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, what's going on? She looking at me, looking at me. And she looked back at me and said, get out the car. I said, what's that? Nigga, get out the car. So I get out the car. She looked back at him and says, talk to your son. I'll be back in an hour. Drove off. I said, what the fuck is this? Now, all my life, when I grew up, I had been realized that who I thought was my father was not actually my father. Because all my life, I thought Dr. Graham was my father. You know what I'm saying? That's who I thought.
Like, really like?
But as I started walking closer to this person, I started to see me. No, shit.
Yeah.
This is who made me.
Only that you
go inside. He's not doing this. You know what I'm saying? He's been drinking. Life has not been good. We talked for about an hour. I don't remember everything that was said. I just remember there was apologies, there was tears. And I remember, you know, it just being uncomfortable. About an hour in the phone bill, I knew it was my mother that was telling me to go. So I got up, I walked to the door, and I heard her say, David. I turned around, I looked at me, and tears.
You just like it because of hearsay.
He said, I need you to know that I'm sorry that I wasn't able to be the father that you needed me to be.
Like, so,
but what he don't know, and I could appreciate that, but what he don't know is that I need him to be exactly who he was.
But always know, you know, they have a time. You get married.